Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Lexus GS300 key fob. First, make sure your driver's door is open and unlocked, with all other doors, including the trunk, securely closed. It's crucial that the key is completely out of the ignition. Also, have all your key fobs ready, as this process will reprogram all of them, potentially erasing any previously stored settings. This ensures every remote works correctly after you finish. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and then promptly remove it. Next, locate the door lock switch on the driver's side. Press the lock button, then the unlock button, repeating this sequence 5 times, ensuring about 1 second passes between each press. After completing these presses, close the driver's door and then open it again to proceed to the next step. Now, press the door lock switch's lock and unlock buttons 5 additional times, maintaining that 1 second interval. Insert the key into the ignition, then turn it to the on position and immediately back to OFF, repeating this cycle twice. Remove the key from the ignition. The vehicle's door lock should cycle, locking and unlocking once, to confirm that you have successfully entered the programming mode. With the vehicle in programming mode, take your key fob. Press both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote simultaneously for 1 second. Immediately after, press and hold only the lock button for 2 seconds. The door locks will cycle once more, confirming your remote is now programmed. If you have more remotes, repeat the last 2 steps for each. To exit, simply close the driver's door. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.